Installing the window. The motor's already done. Just need to put that bad boy in it. I usually like go far or something. I don't know. Oh, it's working. Hey, must be the money. $45 for the window. $75 for the motor.
Okay, I need bolts. What's it called? Silver ones. The window.
Imagine if he was recording this by himself too. That'd be hard. Oh, must be the money.
Now line up this. Can't tell if I'm lined up or not.
Down.
I think it's right. I think it's turning there. I don't think I'm getting it in.
It's right there, ready. Right there. So you moved it.
There we go.
Ooh, it happened.
Okay, the other side.
I know it probably doesn't see it, but oh well. It has his hands.
You're aiming somewhere so far away.
No, I got your hands though. And I'm drinking milk at the same time. I was gonna say multi-talented.
Let's get over here because we're holding with one.
Yeah.
Where's my love?
Goodbye, my love. Anytime I feel anything that's crummy or anything, I think it's flat.
Hey, must be on the caramel apple empanada. Loosen that.